In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on Wayfair, covering both refund and exchange options. Whether you've changed your mind, received the wrong size, or your item arrived damaged, returning it on Wayfair is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's walk through the entire process step by step to ensure that you have a clear understanding of how to quickly and efficiently make your return or exchange. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Wayfair website. It's important to have your order details handy, so I suggest logging into your Wayfair account. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Orders section. This section is essentially your central hub for tracking all activities related to your purchases, including returns. After accessing My Orders, look through your list of past purchases to find the specific item you'd like to return. When you've located it, you'll notice a button labeled Return Items. Click this button. It will guide you into the return process. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for the return. Wayfair offers a range of options here. You might choose wrong size if the item doesn't fit as expected, damaged if something arrived broken, or changed mind if you simply no longer want the item. Your choice here helps Wayfair with process improvements, ensuring similar issues are avoided in the future. Once you've stated the reason, you'll then have the choice to select between a refund or an exchange. If you opt for a refund, the amount will generally be processed back to your original form of payment after Wayfair has received and inspected the returned item. Alternatively, choosing an exchange means you'll be receiving a replacement item, subject to stock availability. If Wayfair provides a return shipping label, you'll be prompted to print it out. It's a good idea to make sure you have access to a printer before starting this process. The return label is crucial as it ensures your item is sent back to the correct location and helps track the item in transit. Finally, you'll need to pack the item securely for its journey back to Wayfair. Follow any specific packaging instructions provided, as some items may need special care to prevent damage during shipping. Once packed, affix the return label to your package. You can then take your package to the designated carrier drop-off point or schedule a pickup, depending on the instructions provided. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your product return on Wayfair, whether for a refund or an exchange. Remember, keeping track of your return shipment will help you monitor the progress and ensure everything is processed without hiccups. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident handling your returns and exchanges on Wayfair from now on. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.